Out of New Bedford Harbor, something big is heading offshore. Massive wind turbine components, built for the next generation of energy, slowly making their way to the sea. Rising above the harbor, we start to see the true scale. Each turbine section towering like a skyscraper, and the tug slowly nudging the steel giant toward the open Atlantic. Now we're closing in, and the scale hits you. Every bolt, every steel plate massive enough to swallow a house.
Battery full, props start to whine. I lift from the asphalt, you're casting your line. You gun that engine, way cut through the foam. I'm buzzing your transom and waving you home. I'm your drone on the barrier run, chasing you out where the hard days are done. Over rust, over rock, over rusted steel seams. Through New Bedford Harbor to the edge of your dreams. Past Butler Flats where the white waves scream. I'm your eye in the sky, riding your way to the sea. Towers at anchor, smell of salt and oil. Goes like torn paper above the harvest boil. You slip through the shadows where that breakwater bends. I skim past the warning signs, we're blowing past the end. Turn your drone on the barrier run, chasing you out where the hard days are done. Over rust, over rock, over rusted steel seams. Through New Bedford Harbor to the edge of your dreams. Past Butler Flats where the white waves scream. I'm your eye in the sky, riding your way to the sea. You throttle up, I climb higher. Hey, that red brick light looks like fire. Wings ringing like a
As we glide past Butler Flats Lighthouse, the harbor feels tiny behind this giant.
wave after wave. I'm your drone on the barrier run, chasing you out where the hard days are done. Over rust, over rock, over rusted steel seams. Through New Bedford Harbor to the edge of your dreams. Past Butler Flats where the white waves scream. I'm your eye in the sky, riding your way to the sea.
Hey everyone, I got some bonus footage for you. After I was done flying around the giant windmill boat, I went back to the harbor and I was trying to get a cool video of the Pope Island Bridge opening. And as I was waiting for the bridge to open, a fishing boat pulls up. You can see the boat here. And unfortunately for me and my drone, there was a large tornado of seagulls going around that fishing boat, which I thought looked cool, so I flew around it at first. But when that boat got to the bridge, as you'll see, all the seagulls broke away, started heading everywhere and frenzied, and I almost got hit by 2 seagulls in an instant. All of a sudden I was in the tornado. So you'll see at the end, I did an instant replay. I was about to get the shot. I hovered there for 5 minutes because this bridge opens 15 minutes after the hour, every hour. So I was waiting there for 5 minutes and it was about to open. I saw the gates going down, but all of a sudden the birds went crazy just as it started to open. So that's why you see I have that footage, but then I had to take off. So I'll have to try to get that another time. But I had a great flight. I can't believe I just by chance got to see that windmill ship. That was really cool. That's probably one of the coolest things I've got to film so far. And I'm glad you guys like it. Thank you. I appreciate all the support and the likes and the comments and the cool, kind words. Don't forget, Check out Atlas Aerials. That's my new Facebook page. It's above the land and sea. So that's going to be my cinematic drone mark, like this here. And then also don't forget surprisingly-decent.com and YouTube Surprisingly Decent. That's where I post all my 4K high def drone videos, and I'll also be posting reels of those on my Facebook page, Atlas Aerials. So go check that out, go follow it. I only got about 50 followers right now, so I'm just getting started, but I think it's cool. I'm working with some cool local pages, so I appreciate everyone. And yes, thank you, appreciate it, and I hope you have a surprisingly decent day. Thanks, bye.